HVT testing machine. Biforce Technology HVT testing machine is designed to check the battery tightness by detecting a voltage leak in it. The machine is equipped with Kikusui brand electronic high voltage feeder with microprocessor control. The machine provides an accurate detection of voltage leakage between the cover and the battery case with the help of special contact strips. Batteries entering the machine on the conveyor are positioned and fixed. The working unit, equipped with a central electrode and 4 contact strips, is lowered onto the battery. The central electrode is located on the positive terminal, and the contact strips are fixed around the welding line of the cover. During testing, a high voltage is generated. The presence of an electrical potential between the electrodes indicates a voltage leak, and therefore a risk of battery leakage. Self-adjusting contact strips are opened and closed using pneumatic cylinders and fix the battery in the desired position, which provides excellent contact. The machine is equipped with a motorized conveyor with a simple and quick adjustment of the guides, as well as a reliable battery positioning and fixing system. The conveyor is additionally equipped with a rejection station and a collector for defective batteries. Smart Stop system does not allow the delivery of a new battery while the previous one is in the process of testing. The machine can be used as a standalone installation or as part of a finishing line. Control. Automation of technological processes is carried out by Siemens plc. The machine is equipped with a Siemens built-in touchscreen, which allows entering the necessary parameters and monitoring the testing process. Advantages. Violation of the tightness of the battery leads to a leakage of the electrolyte, which can also lead to a corrosion of the car's components and even harm the health of driver or service personnel. HVT testing machine of Biforce Technology allows identification of the main causes of leakage failure, such as poor connections between the lid and the case, top lid from battery cover and poor terminal fixing. Use of this machine will provide additional control over the batteries and prevent the release of low-quality products to the market.